Welcome guys, welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a follow-up TA of XRP. Before we do the TA of XRP, we have a $500 worth of giveaway. I'm doing giveaway again. We have some requirement though. To join this giveaway, 1, you have to be part of this community, which means you have to subscribe to the channel. 2, you have to like the channel. 3, you have to hit the alert button. Not a requirement, but a good idea. 4, you have to comment your Bitcoin address. I of course can send it to the winner. 5 requirement, which is a requirement. This video need at least 100 likes before I do the giveaway. Last time I gave a lot of money away, so this time there'll be at least 1 requirement, which means we need to have 100 likes. We can do it, guys. Not that hard. Let's jump straight into the TA of XRP, guys. Last time we did a TA of XRP, we got great gains, right? However, I'm seeing bullish pattern on XRP yet again. Remember, at the moment is the SEC which is holding XRP back, because XRP in 2017-18 was the only coin that pretty much beat Ethereum in rank, right? And to beat Ethereum rank, you need at least 500 billion, and I believe XRP is 15 billion. That is a 10x from here. Is this a possibility? Yes, I believe so. High probability? No, I do not believe so. At the moment, if you're just looking at the short term, I will say my long-term prediction for XRP, but in the short term, I can see some great gains, because at the moment, guys, we are forming what we call a bullish godly pattern, as you guys are seeing here, in a bullish pendant, right? In a big bullish pendant, which is in the daily. And in the forward chart, we are making a bullish godly pattern. At the moment, it is folding out as it should, because we also have a falling wedge right here, and it's breaking out to the upside. Let's zoom a bit more in. Like I said, we were in a falling wedge and did a breakout. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there we broke out and surpassed the 21 SMA, which is great, right? And if you look at the RSI has again a bullish pendant and then broke out the RSI, and we are above the 50, which means we are going to the uptrend. So all along, looking good. However, we need more volume. Volume is still stable, guys. You guys know if we do not have any volume, well, it reflects back to the price action. Alright, in the short term, we need more volume. If you look at the RSI stock, we are oversold in the forward chart, which means we will bounce back, guys, and use the 21 SMAs most likely as a support. Alright. If you look at the MACD, looking fine, nothing much to talk about it for the MACD in the forward chart. So guys, let's just look fast at the daily as well. If we look at the daily yet again, guys, we can clearly see we are in a bullish godly pattern. Very good, which means we can have a price all the way to $1.3 for XRP. Now we can get a bit higher than that. If we look at the elite wave, we are in wave 1, we have wave 2, we're moving to wave 3. Remember, within these waves, there's a wave, so we can go like this. So we won't go straight up, but we will hit the fib level as 1.618, and that price will be around $1.6, almost $1.7 for XRP in a shorter term. Of course, it's also important to understand that we are below the 21 SMA at the moment, which means XRP needs to go above this. This is extremely important to understand. If we get rejected, we can see lower price, guys, and this TA pretty much get invalidated. The lower price, which will mean that we can actually go all the way to around, first, this will be a support area, right? Actually, that is nonsense. This will most likely be a support area around here. So this will most likely be a first support area right there. And the second will most likely be here. If you don't see, right over here. And the third support area, which is a great buying opportunity right there. I will fill my back, that is for sure. It is right over here, guys. These will be the 3 support areas to keep an eye on if we lose levels. Alright, we have to go above the 21 SMA in the daily. We are above the forward chart. Doesn't mean the world, the daily is the most important. We need to go above the 21 SMA. For doing that, we need more volume. The volume is increasing, guys, as you see. And, you know, the volume is not going insane, which is good. It's stabilizing. And then we will see a big spike to the upside if this happens again. If you look at the RSI, we need to break this trend, right? We need to break this trend again. Very important to know. Now, if we look for bullish divergence, I'm just going to show you guys. I don't know if you guys see it right over here. You guys see it right here. All right, in the daily. And if you look at the RSI right over here. All right, that is the opposite. We call this a bullish divergence, which means we usually see more upside. All right, there's a higher probability, not a guarantee, but a higher probability for that. If you look at the RSI stock, see, this is the thing which turns me on pretty much. All right, look right there, we are oversold area. We still have a lot of upside before we go down, right? As last thing in the chart, if we look at the weekly, we can actually see at the moment we are still not oversold, but we are nearing that area. And most important thing, we are, guys, understand that, write it down and print it out so you understand this. We are above 50. It is an important key area at the RSI. Usually, not usually, that means we are in an uptrend. All right, important to understand. We are getting oversold and we are in an uptrend. All right, important to understand. That is a great thing for XRP. So I hope some of you bought the dip, because I certainly did. All right. So I believe, again, our target 1.6 in the short term or 1.7 in the short term trading. In the longer term, in the month or weeks to come, I do believe we can see target all the way to around $7, almost $7. So that is a 6x, 7x from here. I do believe that is a possibility, but I just want to stay conservative at the moment before I see more. That's what the elite wave are saying. It is a possibility. However, remember, the elite wave can fail if wave 4 goes below wave 1. We haven't seen that yet. So once we see that, once the price spike up, be in a impulsive movement, and then we're in a corrective movement in elite wave, and it just keep going lower and close below wave 1, that gets invalidated. Our chance just decreased to get up this level of $7. But there's a possibility. We just need to have some kind of price appreciation again and see what the chart tells us, guys. But at the moment, yet again, guys, my price target is $1.7, and I will lock profit in there if we reach it, guys. At the moment, this chart is looking great. It's looking sexy. So let's see how it will unfold. Just remember, guys, so this can still get invalidated, all right? If Bitcoin drops hardcore, right? If Bitcoin just drop, it will break all the soldier, all the altcoin down with it. Every altcoin are highly correlated with Bitcoin. Let me remind you that again. If you look at the stable coin and the Bitcoin dominance, nothing much to watch, all right? Bitcoin is in a down channel, which means it can break out, right? So we can see price go down, and all coins dominance and Ethereum dominance will just go down. But otherwise, nothing much to watch before we see more price action. But all in all, at the moment, XRP is still looking good. I'm very bullish on XRP. The chart are showing us there's a high probability for upside. However, we can, of course, always see a downside. So have risk management. You have to repeat risk management. You have to have a stop loss. Otherwise, you are not a trader. You are a gambler, guys. If you look at the altcoin season index, we are not in altcoin season. We at 4.3, we need to be in 75. Once we're in altcoin season, things will go parabolic, 10x, 20x, and 100x in some altcoins. All right, important to know. At the moment, we are not nearing altcoin season. Last thing, guys, if you look at the fear and greed index in crypto, remember, guys, I always say buy the fear, sell the greed, run towards the fear, not away from the fear in a bull market. In a bear market, there's a different scenario, right? But in bull market, we usually see reversal right after fear. That is how I get profitable. That is what works for me. At the moment, we are being, like, now we're in fear. Yesterday we were in fear. Last week we were in fear. And last week we were actually in extreme fear, guys. But already last month, I'm pretty sure it's like a 10 years ago for you. But last month we were in greed. You probably don't even remember it. We were all in greed, including myself, right? So it is important to acknowledge your feelings and use this indicator. It's a great indicator to use because I always run towards the fear, buy the fear in a bull run, and then sell the greed. All right, guys. Guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel, like the channel and the content, of course. Join our free Telegram, guys. And of course, see you in the Telegram group.